Hey there, if you work in marketing operations or website analytics, you're going to absolutely love our free collection of the very best Google Sheets templates built for marketers. You can find our templates right on our website, and as you can see, they connect to your live marketing systems, such as MailChimp, Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and many ad platforms like LinkedIn ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and much more. As an example, let's take a closer look at our most popular dashboard for marketers, our Google Analytics website traffic report. Simply enter your email and click Get Free Template to get started. And we'll click Use Template. And there we go. Now I have a copy saved on my own Google Drive. And since I'm already logged into Google Analytics 4, I can simply click Connect to GA4 and then choose a property to import my data. We'll click Import and we're done. As you can see, there are already 4 predefined Google Analytics imports set up for this dashboard. If I want to make my work even easier, I can click Refresh and set a refresh schedule. So all 4 of these imports will refresh every hour or once a day so that I don't have to keep checking back to make sure that the data is live. Let's set them to refresh once a day at 9 a.m. Awesome. Now let's take a look at our dashboard. At the top of our dashboard, we have some key metrics such as total users, total sessions, and total views per month. As we scroll down, we have some helpful data visualizations, such as charts showing users by channel, as well as traffic by channel. As we keep scrolling down, we can see traffic by device to see how many users are coming from desktop versus mobile or tablet devices. And further down, we get a nice breakdown of traffic coming in by landing page, including a table that'll even show us core metrics such as bounce rate by landing page, average session per user by landing page, and percent of users that are new users as opposed to returning users for each landing page. And that's our Google Analytics 4 website performance dashboard. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough, and I hope you'll take a closer look at many of our free, powerful, automated spreadsheet templates for marketers.